Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce Rob Jetten, the Dutch politician. This is the way we say Rob Jetten. Rob Jetten. There is a light emphasis on the first syllable of his last name. Rob Jetten. Rob Jetten. Rob Jetten. Rob Jetten. And most people will not pronounce the N at the end of his name, so it will become Rob Jette. Rob Jette. I hope this video was helpful. You can support us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We also have memberships available with perks such as requesting words and sentences. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!